It's Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Monday, April 7th, and in today's short, quick video, we'll be taking a look at the crypto markets to see what's happening. But before we dive in too deep, I do have to hit you nerds with this nice little legal disclaimer. Alright, guys, please remember this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content. You should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. As you guys can see, we're over here on CryptoBubbles.net. There's only a couple coins up for the day. Fartcoin, Grass, Form. But just a couple coins, man. The rest of these coins are down. We got Bitcoin down nearly 5%, going for 78,000. ETH down 11%, going for 1,500. XRP down to 187. Binance Coin took a hit, 551. Solana took another hit, 106. Whew. That's some cheap Solana, man. Remember, this thing was nearly 300 in January. You know what I'm saying? Dogecoin took a hit, 14 cents. Tron, 22 cents. And Cardano, and I remember Cardano used to be up here. Now it's below Tron. So Cardano took an 8.5% hit down to 57 cents. So it's a nasty, nasty market out there, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market here. All right, we're on the site called companiesmarketcap.com. This shows you all the companies in the world. Oh my goodness, guys. Trump has just killed the market so bad. You guys remember this in a previous video? The total market cap used to be like 112 trillion. This is crazy, guys. Every market cap is just diminishing. Money is just literally being evaporated out of the market. You guys see this? Look, guys, if you go back to like 2-3 weeks in, we went on this site. This was 115 trillion. This is crazy, guys. Look at this. Apple down 5%. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. At least there's a couple green things here, but this is just crazy. Look at this. Apple was a $3 trillion company just like a month or two ago. You guys see this? Look. Okay. Look, just last month, Apple was a $3 trillion company, and now it's a $2.6 trillion company. They lost like $1 trillion, guys, in a month. You guys see that? That is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Guys, at the end of the day, I feel like the only people making money from this is like the rich people that are able to short the market. Because shit, it's looking rough out here, guys. It's looking rough. You guys see this? Man, Amazon, shit, 172 a share. That's crazy. Amazon used to be like 220 a share. You guys see this? Like, look. Let's see. And Amazon was worth like what? Look at this. 2.4 trillion. Now it's worth 1.8 trillion. Holy shit. Amazon took a hit, guys. These are some of the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google. And they're all taking a hit, guys. So, shit. At the end of the day, guys, it's kind of like we drew out this chart the other day on TradingView. What goes up? As you guys can see, we went up 573%. Went down a little bit. We went up 293%. We're going to go down a little bit, guys. So we literally drew this out over here. Let me kind of redraw it out for you guys. We got the trend lines over here. Boom, boom, boom. Put another trend line over here. And yeah, this is pure speculation, but this is what I think is going to happen, guys. This is the weekly chart. So each candle represents 1 week. We're just going to kind of fizzle down. Boom. You know, shit. This is going to be crazy, man. You know, Trump is coming pretty close to killing Bitcoin here. This is going to be pretty crazy, but as you guys can see, we could fizzle down real low, guys. Like, to scary low numbers. To the point where all those gold guys are like, haha, I told you Bitcoin's going to crash, right? Like this thing could go down to 5 Gs. Like, if we keep tumbling like this, you guys see this? We could hit $5,000 Bitcoin by November 2026. So, guys, that's crazy. But, you know, sometimes what goes up must come down. You guys see we had a nice run up. Boom, 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 right? We had a nice run up over there. Next thing you know, there's going to be some downward movement, right? Once again, right over here, we had the nice run up. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to be some downward movement, guys. So, let's see. You know, if you ask some of these veteran OG guys like Richard Hart, they'll tell you Bitcoin could drop 80% in a bear market. So 80% drop from here. Guys, that puts you around a $17,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, see that? It puts you like right around over here. Like, let's see. 80% drop. Like, yeah, right around here. All right, $18,000 Bitcoin. It's not looking good, guys. So if you want to make money with this, you may want to look into a couple of those sites where you can short Bitcoin or short a couple meme coins here and there, because it's looking like a downward market, guys. Everything's looking downward. If we take a look at some of these indicators over here at the bottom, all right, this indicator over here, notice this yellow thing, right? Whenever the yellow thing goes up, you guys see it right here? Yeah. So let me point this out to you guys, right? Whenever that yellow thing goes up, you see that? Price goes up. But whenever the yellow thing goes down, it's like the VWAP, the price also goes down. So as you guys can see, we got downward price movement. The VWAP went down. So over here, the yellow thing, it's going down. Oh, price is going down, guys. The momentum is not here. Nobody's buying right now. As you guys can see, the momentum is just dying off. So at the end of the day, guys, this is a good time to accumulate. This is a good time to maybe short the market. But yeah, besides accumulating and besides shorting the market, I don't see too many ways to win over here, guys. Let's see if there's any winners over here. All right, this coin's up 11%. All right, there's no crazy winners here. This one's up 147% in 3 months, but it could be a scam, guys. There's only 59,000 in volume. So while it's got a good name, insurance, sometimes you can make money off scams. It's just not worth it, guys. It's not worth the risk-reward ratio. It's kind of like driving a car drunk. You could do it, you could get away with it, or you could call it Uber or Lyft and just make it home safer. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what's popping over here. Any winners over here? All right, this coin looks interesting over here. Any coin that does 1,000 in 3 months, 9 million in volume, there could be something to this. So guys, I would recommend doing some research on this one over here. Let's pull this one up real quick just to see what this one is about. All right, let's see here. I don't know if we pulled this one up in a previous video, but let's see. Let's check out their website here. Oh, yeah, we did pull this one up in a previous video. It's the ultimate app designed to redefine your Web3 experience on Solana. So, okay. Seamless access to the evolving global decentralized economy right at your fingertips. Okay. Yeah, some of these apps do pretty good, so, there's always room in the market for another app, especially if the app works pretty well. You know what I'm saying? They got some backers over here. Looks like they got an iOS, Android, Chrome, and APK for Android. Okay. Cool, man. So, yeah, there could be something behind this one, guys. Let's see. Let's check out. Let's see what else they got over here. Fast, secure transactions. Okay. One platform, infinity possibilities. Okay, so nothing too groundbreaking, but yeah, sometimes apps, they do pretty good, and, because it's an actual, like, real product. It's kind of like Binance Coin, Binance Coin, they got an exchange, they got they have their own token, they're gonna do well. So yeah, just look for utility in crypto, guys. Look for real exchanges and stuff like that. Back in the day, KCS, this one was, whew, I slept on this one, man. Look, you guys could have bought this one a few years ago, 93 cents, could have sold for, look, 22 bucks. Look at that. So some of these exchanges or some of these projects that have, like, real things behind them, they do pretty well, man. They do pretty well. So yeah, besides that, guys, we're not seeing too many winners over here. Let's go to the next 100 over here. Let's see what we got. See, yeah. All these scams over here. You guys see when a coin is up 1,200%, they're gonna have, like, the little rocket emoji. But you guys always have to look at the volume, guys, all right? The volume is $26,000. So that's like a fraction of a Bitcoin, right? So yeah, you guys can't fall for some of that stuff. But worried some of you guys will fall for that stuff. It's life in the NFL. Yeah, man. This Trump guy keeps crashing the market, guys. It's not looking good for us, man. It's not looking good for crypto at the moment, guys. So if you guys want to make money with crypto, dollar cost average in, be prepared for a 2 or 3 year bear market, or learn how to short the market, guys. We may have to go to some of these sites, like some of these exchanges. For some of these exchanges to accept you, you may need a VPN too. So if you guys are looking for a good VPN, I got a link to one in the YouTube description below. I use private internet access. They're a great company. They got great software. It's pretty reliable. Never glitches. It's never buggy. So yeah, guys, we may have to look into that to actually make some money with crypto, because it's looking like it's gonna keep going down, guys. It's gonna keep going down for the foreseeable future. Trump is playing hardball with all these tariffs and stuff. If we count this right here, we have been going down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks in a row, guys. As you guys can see, 10 weeks in a row of downward movement. I predict more downward movement, guys. So, yep, Bitcoin could hit 18, 19, 20,000, as you guys can see over here. It's scary, scary times for Bitcoin, guys. Scary, scary times for not only Bitcoin, but stock market as well. Apple just lost $1 trillion. Remember, guys, these guys were worth nearly $4 trillion. You guys see this? Look, on December 27th of last year, Apple was worth 3.86 trillion. Now they're worth 2.6. So they lost $1 trillion, guys. So there's going to be some fluctuation in the market. You guys are going to have diamond hands to stay in this market, guys. As you guys can see, look at this. Total market cap is 100 trillion. This used to be 112 trillion. Crazy world out here, guys. But yeah, that's the end for today's video, guys. It's gonna be a crazy downward hill. For you guys to make money, you're probably gonna have to short the market if you're into that. If not, dollar cost average in. Let me know in the comments below if you guys see any winners over here on CoinMarketCap or on-chain FX. And by winners, I mean like legitimate projects, guys. Not something that's up 400% with 32,000 in volume. You know what I'm saying? So, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment. Shit, it's going to be a bear market for a while. Crypto Bro signing out.